See, what is normalization? Normalization means the process of organizing data to reduce data redundancy and improve data integrity. For example, data redundancy means, so in some tables, we will have some replicated data, repeated data. So that what will happen means it will take more space, that means disk consuming. And sometimes if you write the DML queries also, it will take some time. Okay, so what are the advantages of normalization means, once we will see this normalization step by step, if you come to know, so these are the advantages and disadvantages. Okay, so at this point of view, if I discuss about advantages and disadvantages also, you will not understand. Okay, first of all, normalization means to reduce redundancy and to maintain data integrity and data accuracy. Okay, that means if you follow the normalization rules and regulations, then definitely you will have data quality. Okay, so we will check one by one normalization forms with example. So first of all, definitions means, first normal form means each column should be atomic and no repeating column groups. Each record must be unique. And second normal form is satisfy all conditions of first normal form and create another table and remove and move redundant data to that table. Okay, and provide relationship between them. Third normal form is satisfy all conditions of first normal form and second normal form, and one column should not fully dependent on another column. Okay, so to explain these normalization different forms, then I need some tables. I have prepared all those tables. You just observe that table, then you will get better knowledge on normalization. Okay, so for explaining these normalization concepts, I feel that DBWare is better than pgadmin 4. Here, see, select star from test underscore first normal form, one rule. Observe here, column names, employee number, it is better. Okay, employee number, employee name, job, MGR, high date, salary, commission, and one new column was there, contact, department number, D name, location, total salary. Okay, that means total employee data along with the department tables with total salary, I have put it here. Okay, so observe this contact number. Here you have multiple contact numbers, okay, with comma separated. So each employee is having multiple mobile numbers with comma separated in a single column. Okay, so see this rule, each column should be atomic. That means no comma separated value or something separated values. That means hash symbol, dollar symbol, pipe symbol. Okay, any kind of thing. Each column should be unique value, should be atomic. There is no separation of values. Okay, if you have these kind of values, then it is denormalized data. Okay, then is there any another process which will have a single column has single value? Okay, I will change this table structure If you observe this test 1NF2, I have changed something else. See, this is first normal form 1.1. You can assume that first normal form, first table, first rule table. See this second normal form. Just I have taken another two columns, contact 2, contact 3. Already contact column is there. I renamed it as contact 1. That means 3 mobile numbers are there, so that I have 3 column names, contact 1, contact 2, contact 3, for storing that mobile numbers. Okay. These 3 column name. Okay. And again, this is not normalized form. Why? Because see this second, no repeating column groups. That means this column contact is repeating. So we call it as column group. It should not be happen. Contact 1, contact 2, contact 3. For example, that employee will give another mobile number. Where you will store that mobile number? So will you create one more column, contact 4? It is not good. Some employees will have 2 contact numbers. Some employees will have 3 contact numbers. So that depends upon the employee wish. Okay. If you create number of columns based upon the employee contact numbers, then that we call it as data denormalized form. Okay. So that I will make it as, I will change one more time this table structure. See this thought data set. This time I have one contact number. Okay. So for example, I can, if I write order by column, order by employee number, then it is better to understand. See here, for employee, see 7369 is having 3 mobile numbers. Okay. So in third step, in third table, how many mobile numbers are there? That many records will be there in a table. For example, for 7369 Smith employee name, I have 3 mobile numbers. So I will be repeating that record for 3 times. Okay. So for mobile number 1, same record will be repeated. And mobile number 2, same record will be repeated. Mobile number 3 also, same record again will be repeated for mobile number 3. Okay. So I am doing like this. So how many records I am having? 42 records are having. In previous tables, just I have 14 records. Table 1 also, I have 14 records. Okay. So here data redundancy will be there in third stage. Okay. Now what to do? See here, each record must be unique. So here, each record is unique, but except this, if you remove this contact number, then each record will be removed. Each record will be unique. No, each record will be duplicate if you remove contact number. So this is not a good practice. That's why again I have redesigned the table. That is second normal form 1. Second normal form. Second normal form. See here. This time, see, second, coming to the second normal form, satisfy all conditions of first normal form. That means after doing these all steps, then create one more table to move that redundant data. So what will be the redundant data? This contact numbers. Okay. So I will be moving this all contact numbers and along with employee numbers and moving to one more table. Okay, that is second normal form, first table, and second normal form, second table means now this is here. Observe this, contact number will not be there. Okay, contact number will not be there in second table. Why? Because I have already moved that contact number to another table and with the help of employee number. Okay, in these two tables, common column is employee number. Okay, and third step is provide relationship between them. So I have to mention relationship between these two tables, like primary table, like primary key and foreign key. Okay, so here in second normal form table, employee number and contact number will be repeating, and second normal form second table, only 14 records are there. Employee number is for only one time. Okay, so it is not duplicated. So here, what type of relation we have to establish means we call it this one as parent table, and employee number is the primary key. Okay, and this one here, only two columns are there, employee number and contact number. Okay, and this we call it as child table, and employee number, and we call it as foreign key. Okay, primary key, foreign key, it is not null value and unique values. Okay, primary key, it can have null values. Okay, so it is not a unique. Foreign key, it is not a unique. Primary key means not null value plus unique constraint. Foreign key means, so it can have duplicates and null values also. Okay, so this kind of relationship we have to mention. So, and now we are in second normal form. Coming to the third normal form, satisfy all conditions of first normal form and second normal form. That means all conditions of first normal form and second normal form. And last step is one column should not fully dependent on another column. This condition, if you check in table level and remove that condition, then we can say that the table is normalized. So see, go to this 3NF table. Three. Okay. And before that, observe this three tables once. In first table, employee number and contact number are separated in one table, and the second table, now we can have employee number as a unique value. So only 14 records will be there. And here one more, here this point means one column should not fully dependent on another column means, see here one column is there, total salary. So we are all know that what will be the formula for total salary, that is salary into 12. Okay, if you do that, then we can get the value. So unnecessarily we are storing this value. Okay, so please remove that value, then we can say that that table is normalized table. Okay. So in this third normal form, just I have removed that salary table, total salary table, so that I can get normalized table. Okay. So this is normalization. But observe this, normalization is not yet completed. Why? Because if you observe this, department number, department name, and location, that will be repeated for all records. Okay. So it should not be like that. If you have this kind of thing in a table, then we can't say that the table is not normalized. Okay. So separate this table into two tables, like we have already employee and department tables. Okay. Now see this rule. If you have this kind of, see, first normalization is this type of conditions are not there in this table, 3NF table. So observe this second normalization. If you have repeated data or redundant data, then create another table and move that redundant data to that table. Okay. So these are the repeat redundant data, department number and department name, location. Okay. That's why I have moved to that into department table. Okay. And you can check this department name, location. And third step is provide relationship between them. That means you can provide primary key, foreign key relationship between these two tables, then that table is normalized. Okay. So this is about normalization. I hope this concept will be understandable to you. So if you have any doubts, you can ask.